Okay, I just want to do an unboxing of my husband's Christmas present. So he got this archery kit just as a starter one. Just put this down. Open it up. So this is everything that it comes with. Bag, starter set of arrows that look very sharp. Tool to adjust everything. A bow release so you can hold the wire, the string. I'm not quite sure what this bit is. Looks like some sort of padding. That might be for your arm. And then here's the components of the bow. More tools. A little kit to keep everything in. These different tips. Bowstring wax. I'm trying to be quiet because he isn't home, so. Not sure what they are for. It all feels very good quality. And it was an entry-level bow kit for him because he's just starting out. Compound hunting rest. Arm guard. I think that's what that is. Looks like it goes on your wrist. The sight. He's going to use this. He's going to do a little bit of hunting on the property here. And then this, I don't want to pull it all out too much because I still have to wrap it up. But the actual bow, it looks very deadly. And it's got instructions and a target in there as well, and another Allen key. So that's everything. Oh, and I have to put that back very carefully and wrap it up to put under the tree. Hope you found that helpful. There's loads in there. Looks like a small box, so there is a lot.